What does it mean to be curious? For me, Richard Feynman, curiosity wasn't just a trait, it was a philosophy, a way of living. I was a Nobel Prize winning physicist, a pioneer of quantum electrodynamics, and a key contributor to the Manhattan Project. But beyond the equations, I was a philosopher of wonder. I believed that science was less about answers and more about asking better questions.
Born in 1918 in Queens, New York, Feynman grew up tinkering with radios and asking endless questions. His father encouraged him to look beyond names and labels, to see how things worked. At MIT and later Princeton, Feynman developed a reputation for his playful brilliance. His professors saw not just a sharp mind, but a daring one, someone unafraid to challenge assumptions. During World War II, Feynman was recruited to Los Alamos to work on the Manhattan Project. Surrounded by the greatest scientific minds of the era, he contributed to the physics that would unleash the atomic bomb. Yet, unlike many, he later reflected critically on this chapter of his life. Feynman embodied the paradox of science, the power to create and to destroy, the responsibility that comes with knowledge. After the war, Feynman helped develop quantum electrodynamics, QED, a theory describing how light and matter interact. His innovative Feynman diagrams turned mind-bending quantum processes into simple sketches, giving physicists a new language to see the invisible. In 1965, he shared the Nobel Prize in Physics. Yet he remained humble, insisting that winning prizes wasn't the point was to understand nature more deeply. Feynman rejected dogma, pretension, and empty authority. He once said,
"I'd rather have questions that can't be answered than answers that can't be questioned." My lectures were legendary, alive with humor, clarity, and a sense of adventure.
He could make complex physics feel like a magic trick, showing that science was not a dry subject, but a form of joy. To him, doubt wasn't weakness, it was strength. Knowledge without doubt was illusion. Feynman played the bongos, cracked safes at Los Alamos, and painted for fun. To him, science and life were both about play.
The pleasure of finding things out,
he said, was the real reward. His legacy is not just in physics textbooks, but in a philosophy that celebrates curiosity, humility, and awe. Richard Feynman reminds us that the universe is not just to be explained, it is to be explored, with joy.